Alright, here we go. We have a Toshiba SR230 turntable here, and picked it up at a secondhand store. It's not working. You can hear the motor engage when the arm is brought over the table, so I'm going to take it apart and see what's wrong with it and hopefully get it fixed. So to start with, you remove this pad here, and you can see the aluminum turntable. This comes out by just lifting, and we can see the culprit is the residual belt material is laying on the mechanism here. You can see it's pretty nasty. So it's sticky as all get out too. I'm going to use a little isopropyl alcohol and combine with the razor blade and clean this up. I think the belt goes in between here, and I've got some new belts here to replace it with. Okay, now that I've got everything pretty much cleaned out, I mean, you can still see the black there, but clean out enough to function. I'm going to put the belt on. It's pretty hard to do one-handed, but anyway, I've got the belt on the turntable, and then I'm going to set that on here and wrap it around here. To do that, I'm going to put the platter down. And then you orient the hole there. Now with the platter on, I'm just going to grab the belt, and I'm going to wrap it around the drive shaft. And then you got to get it around this aligning lever like that. So now it's spinning. Finally, we'll put the rubber mat on, and we'll see what it sounds like. Now that I have the record on, let's see what it sounds like. There you go. There may be some other problems with it. I haven't really calibrated anything or messed with it too much, but there's a secondhand record player coming to life again. Thanks.